obviously. And then to the right, you have my mirror that just swings out. Pretty sure it's from IKEA. Then on this little wall here, you have my jewelry rack where I just have all of my necklaces hung up. And then if you look down, you have my binder and school backpack. That's just kind of where it lives when I'm not at school. And then on this huge giant wall here is where my closet is. This is where I keep my clothes, obviously. Right next to my closet, you have my little desk area. So I have this chair with my blanket on it because when I'm doing my makeup in the morning, I usually get pretty cold, so that's why that's there. This is where I keep my laptop, and then I also have this acrylic organizer where I keep all my makeup. And then above that, I just have some cute little twinkle lights hung with some pictures attached to them. And then above my desk area, you have my bookshelf where I keep just all of my books. Obviously, that's what a bookshelf is. So moving on over to the wall, next to my desk, I have just some beautiful windows. This window is where I film most of my videos, just in case you were wondering. Don't think you were, but now you know. Next to my windows, I have this really cute wall where I just have some little crates hung sideways, so they are almost like shelves. I just have some mason jars with some fake flowers in them, and then I have a candle and my Polaroid and some cute little Pinteresty pictures. And then in this corner, you have my plant stand with my fake cactus on it. What did we name him? Wasn't it Harold?
Yes, it was Harold.
Yes, we have my fake cactus named Harold, just chilling in this corner. I love Harold. He's probably my favorite part of my room. And then above Harold, we have this cute little chicken wire thing. I don't know what it is, but I am constantly switching out this cute little board with pictures of me and my friends, and then just cute little things I find on the internet. So next to my little board right here, I have another set of windows, and below the windows and my bed, I just keep my dance bag here. This is where it lives when I'm not at the studio. And then in the corner, I keep this chest that is just filled with extra school supplies. Then I also have my iHome on top of that. So this is also where I keep my phone at night when I'm charging it. And then I also just have this cute little sign here from the local boutique. So then we have my bed. So my comforter and the matching pillows are from Urban Outfitters. And then next to my windows, we also have some more Pinteresty aesthetic pictures up there. And then above my bed, I have my chalkboard from HomeGoods, as well as these really cute flower fairy lights. And then moving next to my bed, I keep my nightstand. On top of my nightstand, I just have the mini light box that everybody has from Urban Outfitters. And then I always have a candle because I'm burning a candle in my room 99% of the time. And then before you leave my room, I just have my Fial Robin Congan backpack. Probably pronounced that completely wrong, but I just have it hanging up here. That way I can just grab it and go whenever I need it. And plus, it's really cute. So yeah. So that is my room. A few of you guys have asked for this video, and I'm so happy that I finally got around to filming a room tour for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'd love to see you back here next Saturday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.